Excellency. I have the honor to present to Your Excellency the letter of credence by which His Excellency U Tin, President of the Republic of the Union of Myanmar, has accredited me as an ambassador, extraordinary and plenipotentiary of the Republic of the Union of Myanmar to the Republic of Fiji. It is indeed a great honor and privilege for me to represent my country in the Republic of Fiji. I wish to assure Your Excellency that during my tenure, I will make strenuous efforts to the best of my ability to strengthen the cordial ties of friendship and cooperation existing between our two countries. In doing so, I am confident that I would receive the support and cooperation of the government and the people of the Republic of Fiji. May I avail myself this opportunity to convey to Your Excellency the sincere best wishes of His Excellency President U Tin for your personal well-being and for the continued progress and prosperity of the Republic of Fiji. Please also accept, Excellency, my own sincere best wishes for your good health and success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Your Excellency, I am very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. It is conveyed to His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Union of Myanmar, and the people of the Republic of the Union of Myanmar, our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Your Excellency, congratulations and welcome to Fiji. So nice to meet you. And thank you for those kind words. Welcome, Bulla.
Thank you.